Good evening, all my awesome friends and family. Guess what time it is? We're starting to get ready for Alice in Wonderland. Come on now, all you collectors of Alice in Wonderland. Come on, show me what you got. Show me what you got. Show me all the wonderful things you have and accessories of Alice in Wonderland that you have. Well, it looks like a fairy garden starting to show up in Grandma's front lawn. What do you think? It's amazing what a few flowers can do. They only bloom for a short time every year. This particular plant lives year-round, and it's just this grayish green color with no flowers. But the end of March to the 1st of April, it always blooms. So I thought this year we would do a miniature garden in here, or maybe I would say a miniature village. What do you think? I had 4 little miniature houses, and I had my mushrooms, and I said, I think that looks pretty nice. What do you think? Wasn't a lot of work, it wasn't a lot of effort. Already owned and had all the little houses. We have a little village now popping up in the front yard. Now, I would never leave this out in the front yard. I'd be afraid it might get stolen. But we'll see what happens. Got to get a few more things to add to my village. We have 4 little houses here, and I thought it turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you think. I'm sure I can find some more things to add to my little village. Well, I went and found a few little fairies for my little miniature house here, and there you can see them through all the beautiful flowers. Just going to keep adding a little bit more all the time. Let me know what you think about my little miniature garden. So far we haven't sent any money. This was so far a free post. I'm going to work on my free post. And we have some mushrooms back here now. Just keep adding to what I already own and have. Who says you can't do a fairy garden for free? You just keep looking around until you find everything you need. It's looking more and more like the village is growing up all around us, isn't it? I think we need to go get some more fairies for our little fairy garden. Let me know what you think. Oh look, I was looking around the beautiful fairy garden, and what did I see? I saw a unicorn. Oh my gosh, such a pretty one, isn't he? And look who's visiting with him. 3 little fairies. Oh my gosh, look at them. They're having so much fun. Well, what did you think about my fairy village? There was no cost for anything. Everything I already owned and had. I was so happy that we got a beautiful post today for free. I thought it looked beautiful. Even the plants cooperated in full bloom, and look at how beautiful they all are. Oh my gosh. And I remember, I think I said back a few videos back that this plant is so dense that you could put a fairy house on it and it wouldn't sink. Those mushrooms are pretty heavy. They're not light. And see, they didn't sink either. They're standing up perfectly fine, nothing but the plant. You wouldn't think something looks this delicate could handle this much weight and look like it's having no trouble at all. Let me know what you thought about my fairy garden today. It's turning into fairy time. And I am a collector of fairies. I am a collector of anything to do with magical and whimsical things, as you've seen on my channel. Let me know what you thought. Now, don't forget, I'm also a collector of Alice in Wonderland. Anything to do with Alice in Wonderland. Show me what you got. Are any of you collectors of Alice in Wonderland? Is there anything that maybe you like to collect and share with us to do with Alice in Wonderland? We have the whole month of April that we're going to be doing Alice in Wonderland. I hope you come over and join in. And don't forget, the month of June is my fairy month. So start getting ready, my collectors. All of you that love whimsical things. Grandma loves having her friends join in. I'm sure all of you have something to share. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Show me your magical, whimsical things that you own and have. Share your collectibles with us. My collectibles are Fairy Gardens and Alice in Wonderland, and of course Mackenzie Childs. But I'm a real collector of fairies, as you can tell. Fairy houses, fairies, mushrooms, anything that has to do with whimsical fairies. It can be anything at all. Share with me what you have. Come on, let's see how many of you will join in for Alice in Wonderland. Let's see how many of you are getting ready. Starting April 1st, I'm going to start opening up and showing you what I have, what I've collected in the past. And remember, this is just the beginning. I'm a collector. And when you collect, you're collecting all the time. See you in the next video, my dear friends. And all of my awesome collectible friends, let's see what other things you can share on your collections. Don't forget, get in those cabinets, get in those toy boxes. See what you can share with us. Don't forget, April is Alice in Wonderland and June is, come on now, fairy time. This is just the beginning. You know, I always have something to share. Let me know what you thought about my little fairy village that I put together. Didn't take that long, and this was at zero cost. You don't have to go spend a lot of money. I've already spent it. Let's see now if I can reuse it and repurpose it. So don't forget to reuse and repurpose what you have. You have to do it. Come on now. We all are on a budget now. Hugs and kisses to my awesome friends. Hope you enjoyed this post to remind you, collectors out there, let's get busy and start collecting and sharing our collectibles with our friends. Now, if any of you would like to join in, starting April 1st, we're going to do the Alice in Wonderland coffee bar. Well, if you would like to join in, that is wonderful. We'd love to have you do it. If you don't have anything to do with Alice in Wonderland, it can be anything whimsical. It doesn't have to be Alice in Wonderland. On April the 2nd, we're going to do a lantern. And the same thing, I'm doing an Alice in Wonderland lantern. And you can do that also and join in, or you can just do anything whimsical that is in a lantern. We're making these super easy, and you can join in or not. Show me what you got. We love having all of you join in and share all your whimsical things with us. On the 3rd, I will probably post something tomorrow, what we're doing then. But don't forget, on April the 1st, a whimsical coffee bar, Alice in Wonderland. We are going to do a whimsical or Alice in Wonderland lantern on April the 2nd. Join in. Show me what you got, guys. Whatever you want to do, it doesn't matter. We love you all, and tomorrow I'll do another video and let you know what we're doing on the 3rd. So, if anything grabs you and you want to try to join in, go right ahead. If you're not interested, that's okay. If you want to come by and see what Grandma's got, stop on by. Grandma's got a whole month of Alice in Wonderland. Let's see what she shares.